Today I'm changing out this coupler to an adjustable coupler. All right, everything's mocked up. Let's get the generator started. Generator's on. I'll start cutting. Front fell off. I'm gonna weld a base plate, 1/4 inch. I have the perfect amount of material. Need to cut it down for it. And get the mill scale off. Mill scale's clean. Just tack this on, make sure it's square, and then weld her out. There's the top, there's the side, and driver's side. I'm gonna put some gussets over the top here. I'll weld it out, let's clean it and paint it. All painted. And lastly, getting the coupler on. Next thing I gotta do on this dump is I gotta fabricate a latch catch for this top here. Cutting down some 1/4 inch as a spacer, I need to bring it up 1/2 inch. Then I'm mounting it to this 1.5 by 2, and then having the latch catch right here. And tubing's all cut, cleaning it up, and I'm gonna weld caps on. Got the top mount welded. I gotta put 2 pieces of 1/4 inch on the bottom to space it up, and then I weld the latch piece onto that. Welded it on a little bit crooked. All right, everything's tacked on. Let's do a function test. Swing in. Sweet. Locked up, locked down. Let's weld her out. clean it up, paint it. Top latch is welded out. Fabricated and welded. All right, let's do the rundown on that trailer. New coupler on the front, adjustable, new channel. I cut off the 1/4" plate, welded a new 1/4" plate, welded everything out. Rear doors needed a new latch system for the top. Now everything latches together. It's not just the bottom holding everything together. Everything's cleaned, everything's painted. This job's done. I'm on to the next.